Why aren't people talking about this strategy to get free YouTube views? And when I say free, I mean not recording any extra content, not doing any extra editing, like not spending any more time than what you're spending on your content at the moment. It sounds too good to be true, so let me get into it and show you exactly what I do. Hi, I'm Rochelle and I help you start and grow your own digital businesses with the help of AI. Now, I am relatively new to YouTube in this space, and like a lot of people, I'm trying to grow, I'm trying to monetize, and I'm looking for all the strategies to do that. And the other day, I just stumbled across something that I knew I had to sit down and tell you about. Now, if you are like me and you're also recording content on TikTok or Instagram, did you know that you can easily take that content and put it on YouTube Shorts? And you're probably thinking, yes, I knew that, this video is ridiculous. Hold on a minute. I have a hack, because this strategy does not involve you downloading any videos or uploading to YouTube yourself or doing any of that. You can actually use a platform that plugs straight into your TikTok or your Instagram or your Pinterest or wherever you're taking your short form video from, and puts it directly onto YouTube Shorts, gives you titles, gives you descriptions. Like, why did no one tell us about this sooner? The platform is called Repurpose.io. Yes, it is paid for, but you can also get a free trial. It's not expensive. So let me show you exactly how it's going to help you grow your YouTube and grow your other social media platforms at the same time. So let's jump into Repurpose.io. So we're just going to type in Repurpose. Now, if you haven't got an account, you will need to... Let's close this. If you haven't got an account, you will need to sign up. I obviously already have an account, and you can see here where all of my TikTok content is going to my YouTube Shorts. So there are two ways to do this. Repurpose.io will either do this for you automatically, so anytime you post, it's going to put that video onto your YouTube, or you can select what you want to post to your YouTube, which is what I do, because not every single one of my TikTok content needs to be on Shorts. Like, it's not that deep, right? So now we're inside the platform, right? And you can see some of the workflows that I already have set up. Now, let's say that we're starting this completely from scratch. We're going to do create new workflow. And what this is going to do is set up exactly what content we want to go from where to where. So let's say you're exactly like me and you wanted your TikTok content, and you would need to connect your account, if not already connected, to go to your YouTube Shorts. Okay, so this is as simple as that. Create workflow. You can also choose the playlist, by the way. I didn't do that because I'm not that organized in my YouTube right now. So here we are. Here are all my TikTok videos that can go over to YouTube Shorts. Now, it's going to ask me two questions. Do I want to do this for all future content? So if you just want to set it and forget it, you can do that. And do you want to automatically publish your existing content up to 5 times a day to YouTube Shorts? To me, that's a no. Okay, I personally want to do everything manually, because I, like I say, want to cherry pick what I want to choose. But if you don't want it manually and you just want to, like I say, set it and forget it, you choose one of these options, right? But I'm going to choose not right now. Now I'm going to scroll through my TikTok videos and I'm going to find the ones that I want to send to YouTube. So I actually want to send this to YouTube. It's a really good talking video. And on here, I will put in the title that I want, the description, and my YouTube tags. Now, you can do this yourself, or if you have vidIQ, and if you don't have it, I would say get a free trial, especially if you want to grow on YouTube. You can use vidIQ for this, okay? So you can log into vidIQ. Great. So you can use vidIQ to quickly create a title, description, and your tags for you. So if I go to this video and I know it's about sending emails, it's basically about email marketing, then I might actually just copy some of the title from my TikTok video. And also you can use the same titles. It's completely up to you. I just want to SEO optimize it for YouTube. So I'm going to go into generate, and then I'm going to type a thing here, and I'm going to click generate, and then I'm going to let vidIQ tell me what the best titles and descriptions are for YouTube. So it's coming up with a couple of things here, and I know I want to add a keyword so that it's SEO optimized. And here we go. Now I have like a much better title for YouTube that I can just copy. I have a description that I can just copy, and I can just copy in some of these tags. And as soon as I've done that, I can click schedule and it goes into the calendar, right? So I might actually just do a live one with you now. Send emails that boost your business. I mean, I actually don't like that. So I'm going to be like, level up digital marketing with a solid email strategy. Like, I don't know if this is the one that I want, but like this is with solid email. This might be too long actually. So let's see what vidIQ tells me about this. I just feel like it's a stronger title. Okay, so vidIQ is like, that title is garbage. Like, that's only 71. So it depends on like what you want. Maybe I just go email marketing tips. Like, I thought the first title was like just okay. I mean, it's giving me this title. Okay, cool. Like, it's not a title that I love, but I'm going to use it. So I'm going to type in here. I'm going to put my title in here, and then I'm going to do my description. I never bother changing this, like, I just ain't got time. And then I'm going to put in my tags, right? And I might just copy all of these tags. Let's see if it will allow me. And that's it. Like, we're done. So I might just publish this now. Why the hell not? And we've now got it on my YouTube. You're going to see this video come up on my YouTube, and I can do that with as many as I want. And like I said, I love doing it manually because I love to be able to pick what videos I want on my YouTube, but you can do it automatically. You can just set a button and then that is it, and you're going to start getting views on shorts. Now let me tell you, it will start off slow. Let me tell you, you will start off with like 30 views, 20 views, but it will build over time. YouTube is not a fast paced growing platform. I mean, for some it is, but for a lot of people it's a slow burn. So remember, like, manage your expectations. This is not going to come off straight away. You're going to get those views up, you're going to get that watch time up, and you're going to be able to monetize YouTube so much more quickly than if you just rely on long form video. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe.